To create a custom mode for your Pixel 10, first let's open a settings on our device. Next step is to find the modes section. Select it, then move down to create your own mode right here. Then you can pick a name for your mode, whichever one you like, and you can also change an icon for it. Next step is to click on Done, and then you can adjust a settings like a schedule when this mode should toggle on automatically and toggle off automatically as well. You can enable or disable notifications and sorry, my phone moved, and also disable them. There's people that can interrupt this mode with notifications from your stored contacts, priority conversation, anyone or none. There's also calls. Here's the same options, and additionally there's allow repeated callers. If you receive any calls multiple times, the sound will went through. Then there's apps that can also interrupt your mode, and you can choose whichever apps you like to add them right here with plus button, or you can select none. And there's also alarms and other interruptions like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. There's display settings that you can adjust for your mode, and there's display options for filtered notifications that you can adjust right here. Grayscale that you can activate or deactivate to change your screen to black and white colors. Keep the screen dark to disable always on the display. Dim the wallpaper and enable or disable dark mode. And that is all of the settings for your modes. You can also turn them on right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.